hiking Three Sisters Rock in the San Gabriel Mountains. Parking is at the Indian Canyon Trailhead, which is 7.8 miles east of Highway 14 via Soledad Canyon Road. The first half of the hike is on the Pacific Crest Trail. The difficulty rating for the hike is moderate. The hike begins. The parking area is at the Indian Canyon Trailhead for the Pacific Crest Trail, or PCT. Crossing Soledad Canyon Road on the PCT. Entering a riparian area. Leaving the tree cover. Carefully crossing railroad tracks. As expected, the PCT is in really good shape through this stretch. Interesting rock formations near the trail. Viewing unknown peaks across the canyon. Meanwhile, the trail climbs gradually. At about 2.5 miles, a road crosses the PCT. This is the time to leave the PCT. Shortly past the PCT, there is a road junction. The other ones seem right since they go uphill, but the proper option is to go right and go downhill. While descending, Three Sisters Rock comes in view. When the dip in the road ends, it is time to climb again. The road continues around the bend. Across from Three Sister Rock, there is a summit use trail. Approaching Three Sisters Rock. Then, it was time to make a decision. How do I get up there? I went up a dry fall. Then I elevated a narrow passageway. Approaching the summit block. The last thing to do was to do a short rock climb the rest of the way. On the summit of Three Sisters Rock. The Summit 360. After a brief visit, it was time to down climb. After a careful summit block descent, it was time to head back. Following the route of least resistance. Just a few more tricky sections. Back on the use trail. Turning right on the road. Some level hiking before climbing back up toward the PCT. Heading on up. Reapproaching the high point on the hike. Getting back on the PCT. Winding around the slopes. The PCT gradually descends. Getting back over the tracks. Back through the trees in the riparian area. Meanwhile, leaves crunched underfoot. One last hazard, to cross Soledad Canyon Road. Mission accomplished. Despite being on an offshoot of the Pacific Crest Trail, this whole area is lightly visited, and you may have the whole hike to yourself.